Indian and Jewish Americans are among the most economically successful communities in the United States, consistently ranking at the top in income, education, and professional leadership. Despite representing just 1.6% and 2.4% of the US population, respectively, their influence extends far beyond demographics, shaping technology, finance, healthcare, academia, and entrepreneurship. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Recent surveys from the US Census Bureau, Pew Research, and the American Jewish Committee show both groups far outperforming national averages. Indian Americans report median household incomes between $120,000 and $150,000, while Jewish Americans often earn slightly higher at $140,000 to $170,000. These figures reflect a shared emphasis on education, professional achievements, and community-driven values. For Indian Americans, much of this progress stems from post-1965 immigration reforms that brought in highly skilled workers. Their concentration in STEM, medicine, and technology has accelerated upward mobility and positioned them prominently in America's knowledge economy. Jewish Americans, whose immigration peaked in the late 19th century and post-World War II era, built success through a long-standing focus on higher education, particularly in law, medicine, finance, and entrepreneurship. Together, these communities illustrate how diverse talent drives innovation and growth. Indian Americans' rapid rise signals shifting dynamics, while Jewish Americans continue their enduring leadership. Both remain key contributors to America's prosperity. Let's look into today's headline. xAI debuts a faster version of Grok 4. After the release of Grok 4 just a few months back, xAI is already trying to move on with its latest AI model. Elon Musk's xAI announced the release of Grok 4 Fast, a faster, more efficient reasoning model compared to its recent predecessor. Grok 4 Fast, according to xAI, offers similar performance to Grok 4 while using 40% fewer thinking tokens on average. Along with faster results, Grok 4 Fast results in a 98% reduction in price to achieve the same performance on frontier benchmarks as Grok 4. Fujifilm to build a semiconductor materials factory in India. Fujifilm has announced plans to establish a semiconductor materials factory in India, marking a pivotal development in the country's ambition to become a global semiconductor powerhouse. The factory is proposed for Dholera in Gujarat and is aimed at serving the rapidly growing Indian fab ecosystem by supplying advanced materials used in wafer processing. Fujifilm's initiative stands out for its flexibility, offering three collaboration models, that is direct manufacturing, licensed production by Indian companies, and joint ventures with local semiconductor manufacturers. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft warn H-1B employees to stay in the US. Large tech companies have responded to President Donald Trump's dramatic changes to H-1B visa applications by telling employees with those visas to remain in the United States. The White House announced last Friday that Trump had signed a proclamation requiring employers to pay a $100,000 fee for H-1B visa applications. Tech giants like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft have reportedly emailed their employees telling those with H-1B visas to stay in the United States and avoid foreign travel for now. Google testing new Gboard features. Google is testing a bunch of new features with the default keyboard on most Android devices, Gboard. Now, it looks like one of which is AI-powered writing tools. The latest Gboard beta has added a new Flick keys to enter symbols feature, which, when enabled, allows users to quickly enter the symbol associated with a key by touching it and pulling it downwards. This is pretty similar to the Apple keyboard on iPads. Samsung Galaxy phones and watches may soon detect Alzheimer's in its early stages. Samsung has announced some technological advancements which could allow its phones and watches to warn about early signs of Alzheimer's, the most common form of dementia. In a blog post, the South Korean tech giant said its researchers have developed digital biomarker technology that tracks changes in cognitive function by analyzing multimodal data from smartphones and wearables, including app usage, typing speed, messaging patterns, call frequency, sleep, and voice. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.